This is the reality of being a fucking YouTuber with eczema. Trying to hide these fucking snowflakes. So sexy.
Ooh, barracuda.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we'd do a little, what would you call this? Recent purchases. Oh, here our cat here as fucking usual. So today I thought we would just do a little recent purchases since I was at TK Maxx the other day. And, well actually I was at two TK Maxx's, one in Glasgow and one in somewhere else, I can't remember. But there's nothing more I love than going to TK Maxx and rummaging through all the makeup and beauty supplies. It's amazing because it's like a garage sale sort of. No shade to TK Maxx. I went in there and blew my load. No, I didn't. I don't want to be sued by TK Maxx. I did not go in and blow my load in TK Maxx, okay? That is alleged. I went in and blew my cash. That makes sense? I don't know if that makes sense. I do apologise. I'm so hyper this morning. It is 8:25 AM in the morning. I'm full of energy and I really want to film this YouTube video because the last two videos I've uploaded were a little more serious. They were rants about, the last one was male body issues and the other one was leave junkies alone, stop shaming addicts. So to spruce my channel up a bit and get a little bit more energetic and a little bit more fun and not so serious, I wanted to just upload a quick video for you guys. Nothing crazy, I'm just going to go through the recent products I've purchased. Some cool makeup products. One or two products are from Superdrug. So they are from the drugstore, they aren't from TK Maxx, but I'll point that out later when I get to them, okay? Let's just jump straight into the recent purchases I made at TK Maxx. How am I going to do this without being so noisy? I think I'm going to have to take everything out of the bag because this bag, yeah, not a good noise. Yay! So I think I'm actually going to start with the two products I purchased at Superdrug and then we'll move on to TK Maxx. I purchased the Revolution Conceal and Correct Concealer in the colour white. That's right bitches, they do it in white, I had no idea. P.S. when you go into Superdrug, this counter for this concealer, it looks as though everyone, from their sisters to daughters to brothers to grandmas, have just ran in and rummaged through everything and stole every goddamn colour. This was the last one and I grabbed it before another bitch could get it. She was raging but I could not give up because now I have it to try for you guys. So these lights are just going to keep lighting it out, but you already know the packaging by now. I will just swatch my hand and you guys can see how white it is. Wow! Wow! Casper the Friendly Mother Ghost. Yes! I thought it would be a great idea to put this under my eyes and in the highlighted areas, but mix it with other darker colours so it sort of gets more to my skin tone, but underneath will brighten and shine through my normal concealer. Does that make sense? I thought I was being all artistic like Naked Tutorials, okay? I was just trying something new. Great idea for my fair boys and girls out there, like John McClane.
I am John McClane.
This would be perfect for your skin colour, darling. Shout out to another Scottish YouTuber. Represent. P.S. I was going through my Facebook messages the other day from years back and I was just checking stuff because I wanted to remember what I used to be like a few years ago when I just started out this whole internet thing, and I had messages from John McClane but he's deleted his Facebook. I could still read the messages though and it was so strange because now he's blew up on YouTube and I'm a reprobate that only gets about one view.
I have no excuses here today. I'm not here to give you an excuse.
I don't give a fuck if it's 1 view or 50 million views. You are what's important to me right now. You're watching this video, okay? So yeah, that's the Revolution Concealer. And the next product I bought, which I need to put on right now, is the Barry M Liquid Lipstick in the colour Pose. If you guys watch my other YouTube videos, you will know that my go-to colour is go-to, literally. But this is a lot more nude, as you can see. Let me zoom you in a second. Bitch, that is close. Ew! This colour for a lip liner is way too light for me. I would probably use my lip liner from the Go-To lip kit. and then just use a mixture of both of the liquid lipsticks. My lips do my tits in. My lips are so misshaped. I really need them done. Does anyone else overdo it with their lip liner like me? I mean, what the... I made it into a little stub already. I've got my colour go-to, so I'm gonna add this right now on top. Now this is my go-to colour. Thank you so much, Baddie M. P.S. This is not sponsored. I'm just repping this colour so much because it just feels like me, and I've used it for months now. You guys should know because of my favourites from a while back, and I mentioned this. I'm still using it every single damn day I do my makeup. I'm gonna take the colour Pose though from the new liquid lipstick I got and just put it in the middle to add a little bit of dimension to these lips. This is how you get DSLs. So now I would usually clean it up with concealer, but I don't have time because I need to finish this video for you guys. We've got a lot more products to get through. Let's jump into the next product. One thing I grabbed at the last minute and the other TK Maxx I was at, the second TK Maxx, was this facial mist from Valjean Labs. I think that's how you say it, Valjean. The Hydrate Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5 spray. It is so... oh, guys. If I could explain this scent to you, I would, but I can't. It just smells so fresh. I don't know what it is. I did look at the ingredients and I think it may just be natural scents, flower water, but I don't know if it's a natural fragrance or if it is hardcore parfum. So hopefully I don't break out in zits, but I do not care right now. The scent from this baby is worth the zits if I get any. I haven't had any trouble so far. I have used it, as you can see, for the past day or two. Yes, this will last me about a week. I have an addiction to facial mists. I use them all day, and when I have got makeup on, I will spray my face every 10 to 15 minutes for some reason. It's just an amazing feeling to me. It's like another addiction I've got, and let's not get into that, shall we? This scent, it's still lingering and I just want to eat it. The next products I got were fake lashes, and of course I had to pick up the Ardell Wispies because I use these pretty much all the time if I am wearing lashes. Very rarely now do I wear lashes for some reason. I prefer my natural eyelashes, mascara, and messing around with them with a comb. But when I have been wearing eyelashes, these are the ones I have been wearing. I tend to just buy a new pair of lashes instead of re-wearing them for some reason. That sounded so fucking entitled. Ew. I'm a YouTuber. Whilst we're on lashes, I did get a second pair just for the sake of it. These are the Nancy lashes by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Oh, I have no idea. I've never really heard of the company, so I couldn't tell you. I don't know how the lashes are because I've not worn them yet, obviously. But they are sort of very thin and natural, and that's what I wanted to go for instead of wearing big drag lashes. The next product I want to talk about caught my eye. Like that, obviously, because I'm obsessed with highlighters. I had got this highlighter kit from Sunkissed and the shades Diamond Dust. Girl, oh my god! I don't know if you guys can see because of the light, but I'll do a couple of swatches right now. What the fuck? I don't know what's up with this bastard camera. Turn this down. Oh my god, you guys are not going to be able to see these, are you? As you can see, they're pearlescent. They are pretty holographic, just like the packaging. They are so beautiful on the skin, guys. Just trust me, okay? Let me do this right now. Which colour shall I go? This colour? I've already got a little bit of highlight there and I don't know why. Let's see. Do you know what I mean? Look at that. That isn't chunks, by the way. That's the hair in my hands. Yeah, I didn't realise how much hair I had on my hands. I really need to get my shit together and go wax. Zoom out, you bitch. Oh, zoomed out. So yeah, that is the... well, that was the palette. So yeah, this is my new favourite palette. I am wearing it right now. Can you see the glow on my cheeks? Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that, baby. Okay. The next two products I got are pretty basic. It's just because I realised I wanted new mascaras. And I purchased two Maybelline ones. The Push Up Drama, nice red packaging, and the Last Sensational, I cannot speak. Mascara, not much I can tell you about it. You probably already know what mascara is. I hope you do if you're watching a beauty video. I've been so fucking annoying this morning. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm hyper. The next product I purchased I am super excited about because I have not had a good pair of eyelash colours in ever. So this is an eyelash colour from Nanette Lepore, and it is in a beautiful rose gold colour. That's what caught my attention. It just looked fancy as hell. So I grabbed it ASAP. You know me. I love this eyelash colour. It's pretty handy to have, and I think I'm going to be doing it a lot more for my daily routine, especially when I start studying, which is in a few days now. Bitch, I don't know when I'm going to have the time to record videos for you guys, but I swear I will make the time, okay? I'm doing this in pairs for some reason, but the next two products I bought, I actually purchased these two on Amazon, I'm pretty sure it was, so yeah, this is not TK Maxx approved, but these are just my go-to day-to-day makeup routine. If I'm going out, I would just throw in a little bit of Healthy Mix concealer. I probably wouldn't put on foundation unless it was like a Friday night and I was gonna get pumped. But I'm joking. I've not been pumped in ages. But yeah, so this is the perfect shade for me. It gives my skin a beautiful luminous glow. Everyone was obsessed with this at some point, and I have just not left it alone, because when something works for me, I'm not gonna move on to some hyped up product like Huda. Yeah, Huda Beauty. She is so disrespectful and only cares about money. She's so good at faking it. She doesn't support men wearing makeup, and I'm not here for it. I'll make time for other people who actually do want to support men in makeup and repost them and show support. Check. I see you for what you really are, and I ain't buying it. Next two products I bought was just because I really wanted big powder brushes. The only brushes I basically use are Real Technique brushes, so I thought grab them. This is a big powder brush that I think would be great for bronzing. So this is the Precision Beauty All Over Coverage Powder Brush. I'm excited to use this with bronzer, so yes. And this actually looks a bit like Real Techniques. Do you know guys not think so? This is by Brushworks, and it's the powder brush. How much was that? I don't know how much it was, damn it. Now the last two products I want to talk about are a lip marker from Milk. This motherfucker does not come off, so do not try it on for fun. I was in the store, purchased it, got out, and I felt as though my lips were boring. I needed a bit of colour. So I just put a bit in the middle thinking I was going to blend it out. Oh hell no, this bitch does not blend. It looked like I had a herpes mark. No offence to those who have herpes, shout out to y'all. I'm not coming for you, but it looked like I had a herpes mark. I put it on my hand, did not come off for about 24 hours. So at least we know it is bulletproof, and this would be good for sucking the D. Y'all feel me? Why the hell am I so hyper this morning? I don't know, but you feel me, don't you? Yeah. I'm not getting any sponsors, am I? My AdSense is fucked. Fuck it, I do it for the people, not the money. Because the bitch is broke and is getting no money anyway, so what's the fucking point? This is in the colour Rare Breed. Ooh, and it's a dark plum purple colour. I think I'm gonna look up Milk's lip markers and see which other colours they've got, because I think it would be great for going out to nightclubs, drinking, eating dinner and stuff. This shit does not move, so this on its own, I think I'm going to look into trying and get other colours from them. The last product I want to talk about and I purchased from TK Maxx is this beautiful holographic cream highlighter. Oh bitch. It is from Jackie and Lauren. I can't see a colour name, but it is a beautiful pearlescent duochrome highlighter. The lights are not going to do this justice. I don't even know where I can swatch it. Maybe I can try and swatch it here. But I feel as though you do need to warm up the product and then go in with your finger, put it on, or use a brush and put it on, but you definitely need to warm it up. But oh my god, once you do warm it up, this baby is so beautiful and pearlescent. Can you see that? Ooh, bitch! I just want to slap my face right now, should I? No, I'll ruin my makeup. Look at this baby. Oh my god! Ooh. I'm just obsessed with it, and I put it underneath my foundation. It is bomb as hell. Good morning.
Hey Tom.
2 seconds, I'm just doing my outro and I'll be done. So I am obsessed.
Sorry, because I'm moving, can I stop you? I think your hand, oh my god.
So I am obsessed with putting this on underneath my foundation, or if I'm not wearing any foundation. I have got it on tonight, but I also put other highlighters on top of it, so it's not really doing it justice. As you can see, it's very duochrome and holographic looking. It's just gorgeous and I'm so glad I got it. So that was the last of my recent purchases, guys, from TK Maxx, Amazon, and where else? Superdrug. I hope you enjoyed it. I really did. If you have any questions of that, just hit me up in the comments, obviously. All my links are down below. PS, listen to my music via soundcloud.com/ScottMcGoldrick, okay? The link will be down below for that as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I fucking love ya. I swear a lot, guys. Yeah, I need to cut back on that shit. Babe, try to get by.
I've done my sorry.
What's that?
Sorry.
For fuck's sake.
Oh, quiet on set.
Thank you. Scott McGoldrick recording matches. I'm just gonna say bye now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it and I love you big much. Mwah. Cut.